How to fix Telegram video not playing. So here are some methods regarding this issue. So method number 1 is to check your network. So if your device is connected to Wi-Fi, disconnect and reconnect it or switch to cellular data. So to do this, just swipe down and you will see this menu panel. So from here, you can just turn off your Wi-Fi connection and then turn it on after a couple of seconds if you're connected to a Wi-Fi connection. Same goes if you are using cellular data. After this, enable the airplane mode, wait for a couple of seconds, and then disable it. Now open a video from the other applications that you have to see if this issue is related to network connectivity. So if the issue is not related to internet connectivity, then you can proceed with method number 2, which is to restart the Telegram app. So all you have to do is go to settings, scroll down until you find apps. Tap on this, and then use the search icon found on the top right corner and search for Telegram. And then on the bottom right corner of your screen, you will see this 4-stop icon. So just tap on that, and then tap OK to restart the application. So after restarting the application, open Telegram and see if the issue has been resolved. If not, then you can proceed to method 3, which is to restart your Android or iPhone. So after restarting your system, launch the Telegram application and see if the video issue is fixed. Moving on to method number 4, which is to update or reinstall the Telegram application. So just head over to Play Store or App Store and then search for Telegram. So if you see an update button, just tap that button for the application to start updating to its latest version. Or you can also try uninstalling the application and then reinstalling it again. Moving on to the 5th method, that is to enable storage permission. So if the Telegram application doesn't have permission to access the device storage, it cannot play videos. So to do this, go to settings, scroll down until you find apps. Now use the search icon to find Telegram, and then tap on permissions, which is the second option. Now scroll down and you will see more permissions. So in here, make sure to enable photos and videos, as well as camera and music and audio. So if you see that these permissions are disabled, all you have to do to enable this is by tapping on this permission and select allow. Next is to clear app cache. So from here, just go back, scroll down and tap storage. Then on the bottom right corner of your screen, you will see the clear cache option. So just tap on this. So if all of the previous methods did not solve your problem, so what you can do is to try downloading the video from the Telegram application and play it with the default player on your device. And so that is how you fix Telegram video not playing. Thank you and have a great day.